Hello family, welcome again on our channel. Here we are again. I am so happy to host you. It is my honor to host you today again. Today is the 24th of August 2024 and it is Saturday car market. Remember, I always told you this market used to take place on Saturday and Sunday. So these 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, are the cars market day. Usually I always say it is not busy on Saturday. The market is quiet on Saturday, but the market is very busy on Sunday. But once we approach the mountain, even on Saturday, the market used to get busy. So today I came in the market on Saturday to have a look on what is taking place over there. So I checked on all the activities. I saw that the market was busy, and that is why I filmed these cars to show you all the new cars that came on the market on Saturday. The cars that you did not see on the previous video, the cars that you haven't seen on the previous video that we post, you may see them here in this car Saturday market. So watch the video till the end and you will see more new cars that you didn't see, that you have not seen yet. And with the prices, you will see the prices are also there. You can have an idea of where to buy a cheaper car in South Africa. I always told you, Durban have a lot of surprise. Durban have a lot of place to buy cars. Even South African cars are also cheaper in Durban. Guys, remember, this is not Japanese cars. To all my subscribers who are in Zimbabwe, in Mozambique, Botswana and everywhere else, this is South African cars. Remember, even you can buy these cars because South African cars are the most beautiful cars. Don't mistake yourself. South African cars are very beautiful. I'm telling you guys, South African cars is so beautiful, and no matter it's very expensive compared to the Japanese cars, but when it comes to beauty, South African cars are the most beautiful cars. So you can also buy it wherever you are in South Africa, Zambia, Botswana, Namibia, Malawi, DR Congo. You can also buy these South African cars. Especially these cars doesn't have any issue. You can register them anywhere around the world or around our continent in Africa, because these South African cars don't have any issue than the Japanese cars. So guys, watch this video till the end and check on the price yourself and tell me if your country or your city can beat the prices of these cars in Durban. Durban is the whole of cars. It is the home of cars. There is a lot of cars landing in Durban every day. Japanese cars, South African cars. So to get a car in Durban, you must know where you can get a cheaper car in Durban, because there is a lot of car dealership. They also come in those markets. They go and buy there and resell it again to you. Maybe in your city, they resell it to you in Joburg, in Cape Town, everywhere. They go and resell it again in the car shops, and you think maybe that those are the correct prices of cars, while there is places where you can buy cars very cheap. Guys, I'm also reminding those who came across our channel for the first time, if this is your first day to come across this channel, please subscribe, like the video, share it. You won't miss out our videos when we post more videos of cars. So I also want to remind those newcomers who have never came across this channel that this market is not a company. This is not a car dealership. This is an owner of the car is coming to sell his car because of pressure of paying bills, because of he cannot keep the car with him anymore. So they're bringing the cars here to sell it, and then you directly will talk to him. You don't need any third party to buy this car, and you don't need anyone. You can just call the contact number that are on the windshields of cars, and you can talk directly to the owner of the car, and he can assist you. If the owner of the car cannot assist you, or maybe you are afraid, or it's your first time to buy this car, you can also contact me. My phone number, my email address, my WhatsApp number, all are right at the end of the video. You will see all my contact details. You can contact me, you can phone me. I will assist you. I will give you more details, and I can also tell you how it works. So many people have been asking me questions like, how to do the transactions or the documents transaction, because the market is taking place on Sunday. And the answer is so simple. When you come to buy the car, bring on with you a copy of your ID that are already certified. Certify a copy of your ID or a passport, bringing with you. When you come in the market, the people are selling cars. They are not allowed to enter the building with the cars when the cars don't have papers. All the cars you see in the building, those cars are for sale. Before they can get these papers that they're putting the price, you must present all the cars documents. When the cars got all the valid documents, then they will allow you to get to enter the market. So all these cars in the market, they do have all the valid papers of the cars. So when you're coming to buy it, they will give you the copy of the ID or the passport that is already certified. You will give them also one of your copies, and then you're going to do the change to the police station. The police station never been closed on Sunday. You're gonna make an affidavit. He will sign, you will sign, the police will sign and also stamp it, and then you will make the exchange of documents. He will give you the car and the papers. You will pay him his money. If you want, the next day on Monday, you can register the car anywhere else you want in South Africa, as long as you got the logbook, as long as the car got the valid motor license, as long as the car got all the valid papers, and you have the proof of sale and buyer ownership, then there is no problem at all. You can go and register the car anywhere in South Africa where you live, or anywhere outside of South Africa. So guys, if it's your first time, subscribe and you won't miss out any of our video, since we will be posting every Sunday cars market, every Saturday cars market, and you will see all the prices every Sunday and every Saturday are not the same. Every cars you see today, you won't see it again on the next coming Sunday or on the next coming month. They will be selling already, and new cars will come. You will see the Bakkies, you will see the Jeep. You can buy an expensive car here in this market very cheaper, because this is not the car dealer, this is not the company, but this is the owner and you. And remember also, all the prices you see on the windshield of these cars are not the setting price. This is just the price they're putting, because they expect you, when you come here, you're going to negotiate this price, you're gonna take it down. That's why they're putting the price a little bit higher, so that you can negotiate it and you can find a deal between you and the seller of the car. So don't worry about the prices. When you see the prices, at the end there is a NEG, which is mean negotiable. When you are here, you can negotiate all the prices of these cars. You choose a car and you negotiate the price, and you can beat it down, and you can buy this car cheaper than the price you're seeing on the windshield. If you cannot do it yourself, I'm here and I can help you. My phone number and all my details, as I said, are right at the end of the video. Call me or write me on my WhatsApp, and I will help you to do all these things, and I will explain to you more how the market works. So guys, welcome on our channel once again. Support us by subscribing, and you won't miss out any of our video. We will be showing you a lot of cars, Japanese cars that are very, very cheaper, and the way to buy it or where to buy it. So guys, subscribe and you won't miss out our video. Once again, we welcome you on Saturday car market, and we welcome you on Sunday cars market that will take place also tomorrow, and you won't miss out the cars that will come. Especially this is the mountain, and you will see that people got money, and there is a lot of people also are struggling to pay their bills. They will bring those cars on Monday, on Sunday, to sell the cars. So subscribe and you won't miss out all these videos. You won't miss out whenever your budget will be ready. You don't know, maybe you will see the car you like the most and you can buy it cheaper. So subscribe and stay tuned, stay online with us, and you will be always updated whenever we post a new video. Welcome once again. We wish you a happy weekend. helping you to sell it. They're just watching it live on YouTube. So if anybody needs it, you can call me one time. Huh? Yeah, that's the video. Where were you, Rama, when I passed here? Oh. Oh, okay. Nisa kamata wewe, niko na wewe hivi. Nisi kuzana wewe. Nisa kamata wewe. Yeah, iko msimu yangu. still they can call you at any time. Kama unapa mtu. Hakuna matatu. Hakuna matatu. Hata bani jua ndio hapo ile market. Ninafanya ndio market na magari yako. Unaona hapa basi wanaangalia gari yako direct na mtu. Ndio kazi tunafanya. Maana nijua hauna matatizo ndio. Tunaonesha huyu magari online. People can see it everywhere in South Africa. Many people they don't even know that this market exists. Basi jua hiki na ya tunaweka huyu ni YouTube anaangalia kama mtu anapenda gari yako anapigia simu kwa mfano na simu yako iko